have so much talent and so many ideas. And what I love about working with you is you're always very hands-on. You can tell that you really care about the success of the agents. And that in and of itself is priceless. People don't get that. Half the companies don't even have a support number. You've got to either go on a chat or you've got to, email them and wait 4 days to hear anything. And what you're doing, I think, is brilliant from that standpoint, because you're going to stand out heads and shoulders above all of your competition with that. You can help a lot of agents. You educate us along the way. I mean, it's what you do is wonderful. So thank you for
absolutely. That. Thank you for that.